Welcome to the future of duct manufacturing. Witness the precision, the power, the sheer efficiency of TL Pathak Group's revolutionary round duct manufacturing machines. Imagine seamless, high quality round ducts produced at lightning speed. We're not just talking about machines, we're talking about a complete duct production revolution. From raw material to finished product, TL Pathak Group's machines deliver consistent, flawless results. Engineered for durability and designed for performance, these machines are built to withstand the demands of modern industry. See the automatic feeding systems, the precise foaming rollers, and the high-speed cutting mechanisms. Every component working in perfect harmony to maximize your output and minimize downtime. Whether you're dealing with HVAC systems, industrial ventilation, or any application requiring round ducts, TL Pathak Group has the solution. Our machines handle a wide range of diameters and materials with ease. Experience the ease of operation. Intuitive controls and user-friendly interfaces ensure that your team can quickly master the production process. No more bottlenecks, no more delays.